Welcome back to My Legacy Garage. Apparently we're going to have a hurricane. Good old Maryland. Doesn't happen here very often, but it's supposed to be here tonight. So, last minute I was like, I guess I should do stuff to get ready. One of those things should probably be start a generator. I don't know how long it's been since it ran. I dug it out of the corner back here. I guess we're going to give it a shot, see what happens. Worst case scenario, just go stay in the Motel 6, right? I guess the first thing we should do is, I don't know, see if it's got any oil in it. Pretty sure you do that here. Oh my God, that's not a good sign. Well, it's got something that resembles oil in it. That'd be good enough. I suppose we should see about fuel. I'm a little scared to look, to be honest. It's not rusty. Oh! It needs new fuel. Bad. Well, I guess we gotta take this air cleaner off of here so we can get to this fuel line and drain that nasty fuel out of there. It is off, so kudos to me for that. It means the carburetor should be okay. Woo! You can probably see the old bicycles over there. Y'all watched the bicycle repair video yet? If you haven't done that, do yourself a favor. Go over and check that out. I mean, that's worth a watch. Kids, man, I'm telling you, they break everything. I mean everything. I mean, it is what it is. They're just kids. But it's good to be able to fix stuff yourself, and you might even learn something. For that matter, go ahead and hit yourself the subscribe button there. I mean, you want to. It's worth it. I'm funny, right? I mean, even if I'm not. Oh my Lord. Even if I'm not, you can make fun of me. Just saying. Can I get an amen for child labor? Get her all scrubbed out good?
Yeah. Does it look clean? It looks clean.
I mean, it looks better than it did.
Yes, way better. Still gotta clean that part out though.
Yeah, you want to clean that up?
Sure.
Oh, are you touching dirt? Are you gonna die?
Definitely. Just because I don't like getting dirty doesn't mean I'm gonna die. I just don't like it. Okay. So should I take this wipe and just wipe it?
Yeah, you want to spray it first?
Yeah.
There you go, clean her up, make her shine.
I feel like that's what Ethan says.
Oh look, there's more bolts.
Really? Oh my God. I think I need more. Like, this is barely coming off. But the smell part's terrible.
Yeah, doesn't have to be 100% perfect. It just needs to be, better than it was.
Yeah. Got it off.
Alright, got the fuel line off. Now if my lovely assistant could give me the dog's poop bucket, we'll be in good shape here.
We don't have anything else to use, so
It is what it is.
at least it's something to use.
There we go. Now we just gotta let it pee. Got some fresh fuel. Carburetor seems okay. Fuel was off, and I'm pretty sure I ran it out of fuel last time it ran. I don't know, like 9 years ago. So Give her a little of that, a little of that. See what she does. Well, now let's see if it works. Victory is mine. Well, there you have it. She's ready for the storm, hooked up and ready to rock and roll. All I gotta do is take her into final position and light her off, and we've got power. What do you guys do when you're getting ready to have a storm? Does this make me a prepper? I don't know. Hit that subscribe button. See what kind of crazy stuff I do next. You never know what we're getting into around here. Give me a thumbs up too. I'd appreciate it. And you know what? Hit that little bell. It'll tell you when I do something again. Have a good day, and thanks for watching My Legacy Garage.